In this video, I will show how to convert grams into kilogram in Microsoft Excel. So you have some grams and you want to convert into kilograms. So you need to use the formula equal, then type here convert. Now select this cell, equal, convert, double click on it and select this cell or type this cell number. In my case it's I5. Now comma and double quote G double quote comma double quote kg double quote and press enter. Now drag and drop. So this way you can convert grams into kilogram in Excel. Thanks for watching.